Want to create a passive income with a successful Etsy digital products shop? Let's dive in. The digital products market is booming. No inventory, no shipping, just your creativity turning into cash. I help you set up your Etsy shop professionally, ensuring it's scalable and ready to attract buyers. From branding and SEO to product research, each step is crafted to match your niche perfectly. Choose from top-selling categories like planners, invitations, social media templates, and more. Your listings will be SEO optimized with high-ranking keywords. No guesswork, just results. Expect professional digital products like printable planners, wedding templates, resumes, and more. Every product is uniquely tailored. No cookie-cutter templates here, just authentic designs. Enjoy benefits like zero inventory, no shipping hassles, and unlimited sales potential worldwide. Perfect if you're a new seller, freelancer, small biz owner, or creative looking to scale up. I'm dedicated to clear communication and fast support to help your shop thrive long-term. Boost your Etsy presence with eye-catching banners, logos, and perfect mock-up images. With targeted SEO and branding, your listings will attract real buyers ready to purchase. Start your journey now. Turn your digital ideas into a thriving, passive income stream today. Ready to unlock your Etsy shop's potential? Contact me and let's build your success story.